This plant is Jasminum Polyanthum, and it's some people call it pink jasmine. You can see here in the close-up that the buds are pink before they open up to a white flower that is very fragrant. This plant's used quite a bit because of its nice smell, and also it's a good evergreen vine for covering fences and other vertical surfaces. Here you can see where I've used it on the corner of a wall, and I'm going to just show how to clean this up after it's done its bloom. What happens is these flowers usually finish around May, maybe as late as June, and as they die they will usually just release and start to fall off. But what they do is they leave behind a dead stem or cluster of those, as you can see here, and I just like to go in and clean those up so that also the pruning does two things. It cleans off the dead flower heads or stems, but it also encourages new fresh growth, which just makes the plant look fresher and nicer as it comes out of its bloom cycle. So as you'll see here, I'll go in and basically cut behind where all the flower heads have dried up, and those clusters are there to remove those. You don't have to be very careful about this. This plant's very forgiving in terms of pruning. I've got another one in my yard that I give it a very severe haircut with a pair of large shears because it just needs it. Like many vines, these things grow upward, and what can happen is the bottom of the vine can get a bit woody. If you encounter that, don't be afraid to go down near the bottom of the plant and do a couple of cuts. That will encourage fresh growth to grow from the bottom, and then you can get a little more coverage down at the bottom of the plant. And also we use wire to train these on. It's a pretty lightweight vine, and galvanized or zinc coated wire is a good way to give it some support and give it something to hang on to. So as you can see here, I've gone through and cleaned off the dead flower heads. This is our before picture, and this is it all cleaned up and looking ready for another season. And that's how we take care of Jasminum Polyanthum.